Thank you for being here. Today I want us to look at a very interesting process, and that is how to compress an image, or how to reduce the size of an image so that you can go ahead and use it on your website or your mobile application. It's very important to have a small sized images because they allow your website to load fast, and they also take less bandwidth. I'm sure web designers and web developers understand this very well. So if you have the image, well and good. If you don't have, you can get one from this website. It's called Unsplash. You can also get it from other free resources like pixels.com. You can get it from this website. Personally, get it from Unsplash. Type anything here. I'll type SETI. Then look for an image of your choice. I'll go with let me go with this one. Let us download it. There you go. Then from there is a free resource or a free website that can help you resize or compress the image, and it's called tinepng.com or tinejpg.com. It's one and the same thing. Here you go. Here's the website. You can browse the file from wherever you have saved it in your PC, or you can drag and drop the image like that. It will take a few seconds, and as you can see, the file has already been compressed. It has reduced by 53%. Go ahead and download the compressed file. There you go, it has downloaded. Then you can have a look at the image. Here is the compressed file, and that's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this content helpful, please like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.